Good job. You're so strong. Now you're just showing off to everybody. Say hi, everybody. It's Monday Funday, and today we're going to find a waterfall. We figured since it's not totally cold out yet, we better get some water adventures in before it starts to get really cold. Oh, come on, Floyd. It's not that boring. It sounds exciting, doesn't it? You wanna go for a walk, Medusa? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna come too? So we just got here, getting all suited up, everybody. It's a little bit colder than I thought, maybe because we're in the shade. So I'm gonna bundle the baby up, but he's just sleeping. Are you waking up, Floyd? You waking up? Hey, Medusa. Wait, your turn. Look at this guy. You ready, buddy? What's this, the Stocking Creek Trail? Yeah. And today we've got Floyd bundled up because I was a little bit cold, so he might be a little bit cold. I've got Medusa's backpack because she's coming too, and in case she gives up or she doesn't like the water, I can throw her in here. So I think we're ready. I think we can do this. Beautiful in here, babe. There's so many ways we can go. There's 1, 2, 3. I think we go this way because it's the main trail.
Yes.
So our new friend we just passed says it's this way, which isn't the way we were gonna go. So good thing we asked for directions.
All over the end of this log and down here and all down in here. These are turkey tail mushrooms, which are like super medicinal, but they are like fruiting right now, which I've never seen before. So this is kind of cool. This is like the neatest thing. And then there's like old ones right here that are all soggy. But this is why they're called turkey tail mushrooms. That there's a f***ing mossy tree. Whoa, look at these mushrooms. Not 100% on those ones, but I think they're a type of Mycena mushroom, which is like super, super common. Probably the most common mushroom you find in the bush in BC.
But from what I read about the waterfall is you can go down and walk behind it, and we're standing on a viewing platform right now, so we're going to go try to see if we can find a trail that leads down to behind the waterfall. I think we found a trail, but we're gonna put Medusa in the backpack because it's easier. I don't want to drag her along. He's sleeping. Got it?
Okay, that's right.
So we got stuck. We've made it as far as we can go. We can't get past this part because it's either too muddy or too slippery. And we tried to go around, but it's a little bit too dicey this time of year. If it was summertime and I was wearing the same shoes as Chad, my adventure shoes, we'd be able to just walk up the creek.
Yeah, it would be nothing, right? Like I can go in there. I'm wearing swim trunks, so like I could do anything right now pretty much, but yeah, the water's pretty cold.
Yeah.
And like that's just how she goes. But we'll definitely come back here and we'll definitely be going underneath this waterfall. I wonder if there's like a better path from the other side of the creek as well. I'm not too sure. It's just gonna take some exploring, but that's how she goes.
It's beautiful down here regardless. We found so many mushrooms.
Yeah.
And it's just so green. It's not a very popular hike, I don't think.
No, and even from the viewing platform, it's pretty sweet. It's definitely well worth coming down here, but we gotta find a way to get underneath that waterfall. Yeah, we'll do it.
Peter sleeps the whole time. Snug as a bug in a rug.
Calibrating the drone? I'm not entirely sure. Did this once before, but I don't know. Just doing what it tells me to do.
Well, that was super cool. It's a beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but it's not too chilly, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Cool. We're gonna have to come back here in the warmer months and enjoy that waterfall and do some creek walking. But until then, you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll have a great rest of our day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey.